vlog 2. Guys, vlog 2. Pinapatest namin yung sasakyan ulit kasi hindi pa kasi kami ready. Hindi pa kasi kami ready i-test, ipa-drive si Rodan hanggang sa beach. Nandito lang kami sa Tuguegarao City. Guys, ayun no. Magsa-sunrise na. Ayun pa yung between. Hindi pa kami aalis. Maliwanag guys. Grabe. Tingnan nyo ang sunshine. Tingnan nyo ang sunrise. You are my sunrise. Maggawa ako ng bago, hindi sunshine, sunrise. You are my sunrise, my only sunrise. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know how much I like that sea. Please don't take my sunrise away. Alright. Pero wala pa kami sa beach. Dito pa kami sa Tuguegarao. So, tapusin ko muna yung vlog to at itingnan ko na kayo sa next video. Bye!